Ever feel like you need a recipe that screams fancy dinner party but secretly takes zero effort? Yeah, me too. That's where this beef tenderloin with red wine sauce comes in. It's ridiculously easy, but oh so impressive. Worried about messing up the meat? Don't be. This recipe is perfect for beginners because the beef tenderloin is a naturally super tender cut. Just follow a few simple steps, and you'll be a steak cooking champion. Here's the thing. You might think fancy restaurant food requires fancy ingredients and techniques. But nope. This recipe uses things you probably already have in your pantry, ready to impress your guests and yourself. Let's get cooking. What you'll need: beef tenderloin, around 1.5 pounds. This is the star of the show. Olive oil for searing that perfect crust. Salt and pepper, gotta have those flavor bombs. Shallots. These little guys add a sweet oniony touch. Red wine. A full-bodied one like Cabernet Sauvignon is perfect. Beef broth adds depth and savory goodness. Butter for making a silky smooth sauce. Yum. Fresh thyme, optional. This herb gives the sauce a fancy French vibe. Bonus tip. Want to get super fancy? Throw in a few mushrooms or some chopped bacon while you're cooking the shallots. Adds another layer of flavor. Cooking like a pro, even if you're not. Heat things up. Get your oven nice and toasty at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Pat a cake, pat the steak. Pat your beef tenderloin dry with a paper towel. This helps it brown beautifully. Season like a champ. Season that gorgeous hunk of meat generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy. Searing time! Heat some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once it's sizzling hot, add your beef tenderloin and sear it on all sides for a few minutes each. You want a nice brown crust, not charcoal. Oven magic. Pop that seared beef tenderloin into your preheated oven for about 15-20 minutes, depending on how you like your steak cooked. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Sauce central. While the beef chills out in some foil, it's sauce time. In the same pan you used for searing, add some butter and shallots. Cook them until the shallots are nice and soft. Wine time! Pour in that red wine and let it bubble away for a few minutes. This is where the magic happens. Broth it on. Add the beef broth and some fresh thyme, if you're using it. Let it simmer for a while until the sauce reduces and thickens up. Yum! Butter me up. Once the sauce is nice and thick, whisk in a knob of cold butter to make it extra silky smooth. Slicing time. Slice that perfectly cooked beef tenderloin against the grain. Thin slices are best. Plating magic. Arrange those beautiful slices on a plate, spoon that amazing red wine sauce over the top, and bam! You've got a restaurant-worthy dish. Facts. Q. How long will the leftovers last? A. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat gently in a pan over low heat. Q. What can I serve with this? A. The possibilities are endless. Mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a simple salad would all be perfect. Q. Can I use a different type of red wine? A. Sure. Just use a full-bodied red wine like a Merlot. Final showstopper thoughts. This beef tenderloin with red wine sauce is a surefire way to impress your guests. It's easy to make, looks fancy, and tastes incredible. So next time you're looking for a showstopper recipe, give this one a try. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, cooking should be fun. If you need some extra help getting started in the kitchen, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps support the channel and gives me reason to live. Thank you for watching and subscribing, you are the real heroes.